In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products from any website to WooCommerce. Start by opening your WordPress website and signing into your dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and go to Products. This is where all of your items live, and it's also where the import tool is located. At the top of the Products screen, click Import. That opens WooCommerce's built-in product CSV importer, which lets you bring in a list of products from a CSV file. Before you proceed, make sure you have a CSV file ready. A CSV is simply a spreadsheet saved in a plain text format, and it should include the key product details you want to bring in, such as product name, description, regular price, sale price, SKU, stock status, categories, and image URLs. If you're moving products from another website, you'll typically get a CSV export from that site or generate one to match WooCommerce's format. Having clear, consistent column headers will save time during the import. In the importer, choose your CSV file from your computer. WooCommerce will scan the file and show you a column mapping screen. This is where you tell WooCommerce which column in your CSV matches which product field. For example, map the column that holds product names to name, the one with prices to regular price, and so on. If you have image URLs, map them to images, and if your products use categories or tags, map those fields as well. Take a moment here to review each mapping carefully. Good mapping means cleaner results and fewer edits later. When everything looks right, start the import. You'll see a progress indicator as WooCommerce creates or updates products. The time this takes depends on how many rows are in your CSV and the size of your images. When it's complete, head back to Products and spot check a few items. Open a product to verify the title, description formatting, pricing, stock status, categories, and the images have pulled in correctly. If something looks off, adjust your CSV or mappings and run the import again. There's also another helpful route if you need more advanced options. From the left menu, click WooCommerce, then Extensions. In the search field, type CSV and look for Product CSV Import Suite. Select it to enable enhanced importing. This option is great if you're working with more complex catalogs, larger files, or additional fields beyond the basics. Once it's active, you'll use the same products, import flow, but with added flexibility for things like custom fields and more detailed product data. That's it. With a clean CSV and careful mapping, you can quickly import products from any website into WooCommerce and get your store ready to go.